if LA had ice, everyone would be so screwed.
I know. Do you live here?
Sorry?
You live in LA?
Yeah, for now.
Especially Glendale is my most hated place to drive. It's a nice city, clean, safe.
Mhm.
There's good benefits, but otherwise driving. I live in Glendale too, but I prefer to drive in downtown LA rather than Glendale.
Really?
Yeah. For some reason, people are just so careless when they are driving, and also aggressive drivers. Lots of aggressive drivers. Like, this is 10 years up here.
I was at a coffee shop this morning, and the lady who works there, she pointed to this guy who was standing outside, and she's like, oh, that's a famous senator for, I can't remember if she was saying like a senator for Iran or for Armenia. I really, I don't know, I can't remember what she said, but you know, look over and it looks like this regular ass dude. I'm like, wait, how?
Maybe it's for Armenia, not Iran.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes more sense.
Because if he or she was from Iran, nowadays there are lots of conflicts going on.
Yeah, I'm like, why would they be here just getting coffee?
You're not gonna see them here for a while.
Yeah.
The conflicts is continue.
Yeah. Scary, horrible stuff.
Oh yeah. Even the Secretary of State of Iran couldn't get visa to come here for UN gathering. US refused to give him visa.
That's so fucking stupid.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if, like, within anyone's lifetime, will they escape seeing war? You know, it's just like part of the human cycle, just to constantly be a
I was
conflict.
born and raised in Iran, and I was at that terrible war with Iraq 8 years when they were bombing cities all the way for 3 or 4 months by missiles bombing. I was there. It's not fun. In that age we thought it's fun because I was like 8 or 9, 10 years old,
Wow.
and I didn't understand how disaster is. But I remember our fathers had to go to the city and work all day and back to the other of the city each night, and you never know they will come back or not.
God.
Yeah. It's crazy. Now we are break out another war with Iran.
I appreciate the ride, man. Thank you so much.
Sure, you're so welcome.
Right here is good.
Here is good.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Take care.
You too.